Vishnu Consultants. Today we are going to learn about sole proprietorship. Sole proprietorship. The perception of doing business varies from person to person, as the choice of a business entity depends on its object, nature, and scope. Before deciding on a business structure, several factors which are critical to any business needs to be analyzed. Business activity and its nature and scope, working capital requirement, proprietor's dependence, registrations, licenses, and certifications for the business entity, concern on taxes to be paid for doing the business. However, to choose a particular type of business structure, there is no defined formula. The factor that organizes the process to conduct business in an optimized manner is known as a business organization. It is essentially a structured approach of establishing and maintaining a relationship among men, material, and machinery to carry on the business efficiently for earning profits. Most of the individuals who manage their business to earn their daily bread are sole proprietors. The small business entities in India fall under the category of unorganized sector. To start and to operate a sole proprietorship in India, there are no standard legal compliances. However, registration with the local authorities is necessary to secure a license for a business name. At this backdrop, a question arises: who are eligible to start a sole proprietorship? Any Indian-born citizens with a valid PAN can start and operate a sole proprietorship. Minimal statutory requirements, no other compliance required. Who could be a sole proprietor? Indian citizens by birth or by citizenship, persons holding PAN or Aadhaar. Even though a business entity can be established and maintained in different forms, each of the businesses has its own merits and demerits. Merits of sole proprietorship are very little compliance to adhere, negligible day-to-day interference by government, minimal wastage of time for approvals, working capital as per business need, same single PAN for self and business entity, hassle-free opening of bank current account, proprietorship registration, single income tax return to present the profit or loss with the personal income, no need to share and distribute the profit with others because the owner himself is the sole proprietor. Demerits of sole proprietorship are no separate legal entity from its proprietorship. Losses in business may impact the personal assets of the proprietor. Due to a single PAN, transferring the profits to someone to meet future needs is difficult. In case of death of a proprietor, the proprietorship entity also ceases. Difficult to secure investments from banks and outsiders. Difficult to earn and identify the opportunities. Registration of sole proprietorship. Any individual desiring to start a sole proprietorship has to obtain business registrations and licenses as below: shops and establishment registration, GST registration, trademark or brand name or logo registration so that no one else could use your similar identical name and logo, MSME Udyam registration for availing collateral-free bank loans on low interest rate and government subsidies, FSSAI registration only when doing business on food and related products, import and export code for export-import business, copyright for persons engaged in literary and artistic business. Documents for sole proprietorship registration are proprietor's PAN card and Aadhaar card, proprietor's name or the business name, mobile number and email address, rental agreement with NOC and a utility bill like electricity bill, water bill, property tax receipt, landline telephone bill. A first-time entrepreneur who wishes to taste the business out of a passion may put in his best efforts after weighing the other options available to him to remain independent rather than working for someone. Unlike other forms of business entities such as partnership firm or a corporate, sole proprietorship is economical and simple way of registering for a business due to minimal government intervention besides hassle-free conduct of business. Watch our videos on free knowledge sharing series for education purpose. View, like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Vishnu Consultants, registered trademark owners and ISO 9001-2015 certified consultants. Vishnu Consultant.